Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios. These are the golden heavy body acrylics that I've been using. I've added some light teal and some cadmium orange. Today, instead of using silicone, I put 2 drops of tea tree oil in the bottom of each cup. I'm going to speed up this filling of the cups because I like to watch how the paints mix in the cups. And you can see that the paints with the Vallejo pouring medium blend together much more than the paints that are just mixed with Floetrol. So I'm nearing the end of the Vallejo pouring medium in these paints, and I'm kind of glad. Today, instead of putting white in the cup, I'm going to put it on the canvas around the cups. I'm laying color down here in the background to add flow to the painting and to add color that may pop through as cells. Instead of spreading it all around, I'm going to leave it in puddles. Okay, CrissCrossDBL Flip Cup. Here we are, another day, another painting. I do this to cultivate my relationship with the unknown. A while back ago, I read an article in a science magazine that said only 5% of what's out there is the known universe. 95% is dark matter, dark energy, or some other kind of unknown energy. And a while before that, I was sitting at my desk one day and I had this thought, what if everything I've ever learned from anyone is just a tiny part of the truth? Well, that was quick and easy, and we will see how it dries. I hope that there's not too much paint on the canvas. Okay. So here it is dry. It's wonderful. And it's a reflection of all the November colors that I'm seeing around me. And everything, all the green is fading to yellows and reds and oranges and browns. And those are fading into whites, and the sky is blue. So I don't know any of that, but it feels pretty good. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.